it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. This is my first check in July cash breakdown. This will be for July 2nd. And then the amount, the take-home amount that we are currently working with is $316. So I already handled my fixed expenses and my debt, so I'm going straight into variable expenses. So I'm gonna zoom you in. And for our variable expenses, we are going to do groceries. We have gas. We have beauty. We have health. I'm gonna put sinking funds because I don't have enough room. So we kind of have to put them together. I have Ken. I have gifts. Back to school. We have personal, we have investing, it's the new one, we have kids, and then we have clothes. We ran out of space, so I really need to see about getting a new sheet or maybe even creating one to accommodate my needs. Christmas. I have hubby. I have my daughter, my son, and then me. So again, these are the funds that I have. I'm $316 this week that I can put into these funds. I have key ones that I have to put money into first, and then everything else I kind of trickle down the amounts. For my groceries, my goal is to stay within $100 per week. My frame of thought is $100 per person for the month. So altogether would be $400. So for groceries, like I mentioned, I'm trying to stay within $100 per week. And then if I do have some rollover money, I usually just keep it in there, roll it over to the next month. So if at a particular month I need to spend more than $100, I kind of have it there. For gas, I do $30 per week. Especially now with our gas prices rising, I think that I'm kind of right on the mark. So $30 for gas for the week. Then for beauty, I wanted to put in $10 because I did make a few purchases for face wash and shampoo and conditioner. So I wanted to put in a few dollars to start that up again. For health, I want to put in $20 just so that I can have for co-pays. I have Ken. Ken has everything that he needs for now, so I'm putting in $3 for him. Then for gifts, I have a birthday party I'm going to soon, so I wanted to add $10 to that to help with the gift there. And back to school. Back to school is coming up soon, but I feel like my fund is funded for the most part. So I wanted to continue putting in a few dollars in case I need extras. Personal, for this week, I'm getting $30. So I wanted to start investing in stocks and Bitcoin and things of that nature. And it's very hard for me to put in money into something that's kind of uncertain. So I figured if I budgeted for it and put in a few dollars each week, and then once I get once I get $100, then I'll invest $100 into whatever coin or stock that I wanted. So that's what I plan on doing. So if I do it in small increments, like 5, 10 here, 20 there, I won't feel so bad when I put the $100 in to invest. So that's what I'm gonna do. $5 for this week. For my kids, I'm putting in $5 for that account too. Clothing, I'm putting in $10. Next up, I have vacation. I'm putting in $20. For Christmas, I'm putting in another $20. Then for my hubby, I'm putting in $5. In the kids funds, I'm putting in 15 into each of theirs, and then into my fund I'm putting in another 5. So that should equal the $316 that I have for this week. And let's make sure that we did that correctly. So 100 plus 30 plus 10 plus 20. That's 316. So then I had 316 was the total, and then 316 is what I have, so I have 0.